Good morning class. Today we will start the chapter 2 of chemistry, that is acids, bases and salts. Now in this chapter we will study about acids, bases and salts. Now the first question is, what are acids? Acids are those which are having sour in taste, and the second property of acids, they change blue litmus to red. They change the color of blue litmus to red. And the third property of acids is they give H positive ions in aqueous solution. Whenever acids are added to aqueous solution, they always give H positive ions. Now the second is bases. How can you judge that it is a base? Bases are bitter in taste. Because bases are bitter in taste, they change the color of red litmus to blue. Second property of bases is that they change the color of red litmus to blue. And the third property is they always give OH negative ions in aqueous solution, that is hydroxyl ions. These are called OH negative ions or hydroxyl ions. Now the next is, how can you identify that is it an acid or a base? So to identify between acids or base, we have indicators. Indicators are those which indicate the presence of acid or bases, which tells us either it is an acid or it is a base. So indicators are those which used to test acids and bases, that are called indicators. Now we have different type of indicators, in which first is natural indicators, second is synthetic indicators, and the third one is olfactory indicators. Now what is natural indicators? An indicator prepared from natural substances, for example litmus, turmeric, China rose petals, plant red cabbage, grape juice, etc. These all are natural indicators. And synthetic indicators are those which is prepared from artificial substances, for example phenolphthalein and methyl orange. These are two synthetic indicators. And the third one is olfactory indicators. Now how can we use these indicators? We have this table in activity 2.1. In this table we have different samples, and these are the indicators: red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. Now red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, these four have different effects on acids or bases. Now as we have acids or bases, acids further categorized into two types, that is strong acids or weak acids. Similarly bases, that is strong or weak. These are of two types, strong or weak. Now in the strong acids, HCl is strong acid, H2SO4 is strong acid, CH3COH, it's the acetic acid, it is a weak acid. Similarly NaOH, KOH, these are the strong bases. And MgOH whole twice, that is magnesium hydroxide, it is a weak base. Now HCl, when red litmus is added to HCl, it shows no change, because acids are those which convert blue litmus to red. They convert blue litmus to red, but on red litmus they have no effect. Similarly phenolphthalein in HCl, in acids, they shows no color, no change.